अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है जुनैद इस्लाम। माय नेम इज़ जुनैद इस्लाम एंड you watch my YouTube channel Junaid Rao. Inshallah, in today's video we will discuss kinds of verb. In previous lecture or video we will discuss verb definition and the use of verb in sentence. And the other thing we will discuss in previous lecture, that is forms of verb, and we take one word and we make forms in it. The first one is base form, or also known as first, and the second one is second form, third form, and the fourth form not speak, fourth form is speak, ing form, and fifth form we not speak, fifth form we didn't speak, we not speak, fifth form we speak s form. And we will remove, and for example we take right word, that is write, right. If we remove e and put ing, we make fourth form, we don't speak fourth form, ing form, that is writing. So inshallah, in today's lecture we will discuss kinds of verb and how many kinds of verb we will discuss. There are three kinds of verb. So let's go and start our lecture with the name of Allah Almighty. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So friends, हम अपने लेक्चर की तरफ आ चुके हैं और आज हमने पढ़ना है kinds of verb. We will discuss our lecture, today's lecture, that is kinds of verb. We will discuss in previous lecture we will discuss verb and how many forms of verb. So let's go and revise our previous lecture and go forward our new lecture. So let's start. This is our previous lecture, that is verb we will discuss before. Verb definition is that verb normally comes after subject and normally shows action and state in sentence. Verb normally means आम तौर पर comes after subject के बाद आता है verb, और आम तौर पर normally का मतलब आम तौर पर shows दिखाना, action हरकत, and state mean हालत, in sentence जुमला, sentence in sentence. verb normally आम तौर पर subject के बाद आता है and normally shows action and state in sentence. And we will discuss before the use of verb in sentence. And the other thing is that we will discuss before how many forms of verb. The form of verbs is 5. First form, second form, third form. First form are also known as base form, and fourth form is not speaking because fourth form is ing form, and fifth one is s form. We will not speak fifth form or fourth form. We will speak ing form and s form. And we will discuss the word, that is for example go, and its second form is went, third form is gone, and the fourth one is going, and s form, fourth one not speak, fourth one ing form. ing form is going and s form is goes. We will replace, for example, if we take an example of word like write, that you see here, we will replace e in ing form. We will replace e and add ing in ing form, and write like this, writing, and its second form is wrote, third form is written, and for ing form is writing, s form is writes. We will discuss today's lecture, that is kinds of verb. How many kinds of verb? That is 3. There are 3 kinds of verb. First one is action verb. Second one is state verb, and the third one is auxiliary verb, and it also known as helping verb. In state verb there are 2 things that is used in sentence. The state verb is countable in our sentence. The main thing we will discuss in state verb, that is be and have. In state verb there are 2 things, that is be and have. And action verb there is unlimited things. Inshallah, we will complete this in our sentence. We will discuss the 3 kinds of verb, that is action verb, state verb, and the third one is auxiliary verb or a helping verb. We will discuss today's state verb. in state verb there are two things, that is be and state verb are also countable. That thing shows that you see here: love, cry, promise. State in state verb the other thing except two things, that is be and have, and that shows feeling, expression, emotional. So you can see here be and have. Inshallah we will discuss be forms in be used in forms of verb, and let's go and see. Be first form is also be, and second form is was verb, and the third form, that is been. We speak been like ben, speak in the last, and we will in the ing form, that is being, and s form is am are also known as helping verb. And the next thing we have in state verb, that is have. In its second form is had, third form is also had, ing form is having, and we have s form, that is has. We will remove e and put ing and remove e. And today's lecture we will discuss the kinds of verb and the state verb, two things, that is be and have, and its forms of verb we will discuss our today's lecture. So if you like my video, so please watch my all videos, my previous videos. So please
Link is in the
go
description.
back and watch my previous videos. Thank you for giving your time, and thank you for watching my videos. Friends, that's our lecture. We will discuss that's a kind of kinds of verb, and there are three kinds of verb that we will discuss in our lecture. In state verb we will discuss two things, that is be and have. In be the forms of verb, we put the be word in forms of verb, and get its five forms. And also we get five forms of have. That second form is had, third form is also had, fourth ing form, not a speak form, and that is ing form, that is having, and s form is has. So that's our lecture. We will inshallah we will discuss our next lecture. We will start our lecture with the beginning of a sentence. We will in the next lecture we will discuss beginning of the sentence. We will discuss introduction of sentence. So give inshallah we will discuss our next lecture. Thank you for giving your time, and thank you for watching my videos. If you don't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, and you can get an idea of to making a sentence. The vocabularies are also available in my video in my YouTube channel, so to make a good sentence. So that's our video. Okay, and we will meet in our next lecture. Okay.